Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're about to be discussing how to add YouTube videos to Shopify product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this one, either you can use an integration or you can simply head over to your online store, themes, and then click on customize. We are onto our web builder. Head over to a particular product that you want to add a video for, like for example this one. In our case, I'm gonna head over to that. Okay, we got it. Now what I need to do is add, like for example, a section here maybe, and in there I'm gonna choose add a section. I'm gonna choose video. So if you add your video, you will be able to get an option of this URL. There you simply need to enter the YouTube URL and it will be shown in your product page. Pretty easy, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.